In front of me is Motorola Razr 60, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, launch settings and scroll to click on this section called security and privacy. Now scroll again, this time just a tiny bit, to tap on device unlock. Select screen lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, you need to create it. Select next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit confirm. Now select done and adjust the lock screen notifications by tapping on one of those options. So basically, answer this question: what do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notifications on lock screen, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit done. So when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!